Hi everyone. It's I think we're 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 reaching we're reaching my apologies. We're getting my ab workout for the day, and this time it's not caused by chinchillas. This time it's caused by a cat. We've got one cat, a oh my goodness, a Persian, which I don't have a lot of contact with. But of course, living in a house with a cat, sometimes you just can't avoid coming in contact with some of the fur. So, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know what in the world that I came in contact with today, but it has tickled my nose something fierce. And yeah, I just can't stop sneezing. So you all were so nice after my last video. I wasn't even sure about putting that one up, but first time for everything. First time for everything. And today, I guess there's a second time for everything. So I am a pretty allergic person. So excuse me. Oh, every so often, I'll have these pretty, I forgot what I was saying. Every so often, excuse me, I think I got it. Every so often I'll have these pretty, horrendous, sneezing fits. And yeah, it's like nothing in the world could it's like nothing in the world can stop them. It's just, once they're over, they're over. It's pretty embarrassing to have them in public. One time, I was having oh my goodness. One time I was having a sneezing fit at the mall, from just standard pollen allergies, Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, got those too. I had and a woman couldn't tell if she was even being nice or not because she offered me because she offered me a tissue, but she did it at arm's length. It had a very disgusted look on her face. People tend to avoid me when I'm like this in public. Which I totally Which, I sort of understand. I think they more or less just don't know what to do with me. Oh God. Oh God, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, you know what? We've got to end this. I will see you guys another time, I'm sure. Bye.